Hey everybody, welcome back to Ugger Speed Shop. And of course we got Dick the Shop Duck down here trying to trip me. But today we're playing around with the Silverado's exhaust. So let's get into it. So I don't know if y'all remember, but I did a quick video one day about the exhaust making some rattling noises. And we got up underneath here and so there's a hole in there. And this is a Gibson muffler, but it is clamped on. So we'll see if we can get that off of there to make it so I can put it back on if I need to. So hopefully it's not too rusted, although it kind of looks like it might be. So let's get into it and see if we can get that thing off there. I'm gonna jack it up to make it a little bit easier to get under there because I don't have a whole lot of room. So let's get it jacked up. That should give me a little more room underneath there to work. So let's get that thing lubed up and start loosening some bolts. I'm just gonna spray these bolts down a little bit, these U-bolts, and around the joint, the junction too. See if I can get that freed up. That's mud. That's not even rust, which is kind of cool. So. Let's see if we can get that separated. So I've had this truck for 13 years now, bought it in 2010. And this exhaust was on there when I got it. So I have no idea how easy it's going to come out. That's pretty good. At least the nuts are coming loose easy. Just don't know how well it's going to slide apart. That's going to be the fun part. This came off super easy, but I really doubt the muffler will come off that easy. But you never know. Right, buddy? Well, I'm trying to get this off for a few minutes now, and as you can see, there's a pretty big crack at the bottom of that too. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it because it doesn't make much sense to keep going. Oh well, I won't be able to put this back on, but I have to figure out something, or I'll just drive around with it like this for a while because it does have cats on it too. So it won't be super loud, but we'll see what it sounds like. We'll go from there. So let's get it cut. Well, that was a little violent, but we got her off there. Unfortunately, had to cut it, but now I'm curious what's going to sound like just without the muffler. So let's fire it up and find out. Ow! I don't know. I kind of like it. Doesn't sound too bad at all. I don't know how well it comes off on the video, but maybe it needs a test drive to see how it holds up that way. Doesn't sound too bad from inside the truck. That's a good thing. If it's going to drone on the highway, though, at 70. Maybe not. Hard to say. See what it sounds like from outside. One thing left to try, and that's a good old glass pack. I just shoved it in the pipe. It's a lot smaller than what the pipe is. Actually, doesn't sound too bad either. A little less drone. All right, so we've heard the car or the truck with no muffler. We kind of heard it with the glass pack, and we heard it with the duck. So basically, I could put that in there because it's about the same size. The only bad thing is it steps down or steps up as it goes across the axle. But I do want to exit the truck again. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as it is without the exhaust, without the muffler and the tailpipe until I get tired of it. And then I might go with something like this or find a different muffler system for it and just get rid of that big old rusty thing because it's shot. And yeah, this is a little smaller than what the rest of the exhaust is. So I'd rather maybe get the proper 3-inch, 3 or maybe 3.5. Exhaust for it. So I'll find a muffler that'll fit directly in there. I don't know yet. So let me know down in the comments what you think. I'm going to finish up this video on doing the exhaust on the truck or removing the exhaust on the truck. Basically, I'm going to leave it like that until I get a new muffler, or if I decide to get tired of it because of the drone, I'm going to put that the glass pack on there. Excuse me. But so yeah, that's the plan. Just gonna drive it the way it is. So if you like this video, go ahead and leave a like down there. Leave me a comment. Let me know what I can do better, and what you think of the exhaust tone. And subscribe again. Subscribe. And until next time, I will see you all later.